What if I told you there are gadgets out there that could completely revolutionize how you work, travel, and live your daily life? I'm talking about mind-blowing inventions that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real and available right now. From a keyboard that folds into your pocket to a drone that's smaller than your phone, these 10 gadgets will blow your mind. Trust me, number 1 is going to leave you speechless. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Foldable keyboard. Here's something that'll make you question why all keyboards aren't like this. The foldable keyboard is a complete game changer for anyone who works on the go. This isn't just any regular keyboard, it literally folds in half and becomes smaller than a paperback book. The keys feel just like a full-sized keyboard, but when you're done typing, it collapses into something you can slip into your back pocket. Digital nomads are going crazy for this thing because it transforms any tablet into a full productivity powerhouse. The best part? It connects via Bluetooth, so no wires, no hassle. Whether you're in a coffee shop, on a plane, or working from a park bench, this keyboard makes typing comfortable and efficient anywhere. But wait until you see number 9. It's going to blow your mind. Number 9. Velcase foldable drone. Get ready for this. Imagine a drone that folds down to the size of your smartphone. The Velcase foldable drone is revolutionizing aerial photography, and it's so compact, you'll forget you're carrying it. This isn't some cheap toy either. We're talking 4K camera quality that rivals professional equipment. The propellers fold inward, the legs collapse, and suddenly you've got a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. Setup takes literally 30 seconds. Unfold, power on, and you're flying. The stabilization technology keeps your footage smooth even in windy conditions, and the range is incredible for something this small. Content creators are absolutely obsessed with this because it means you can capture epic aerial shots anywhere without lugging around massive equipment. Social media will never be the same. But hold on. Number 8 is about to change how you think about your car forever. Number 8. Car steering wheel desk. This next gadget is pure genius for anyone who spends time in their car. The car steering wheel desk transforms your vehicle into a mobile office in seconds. It's a perfectly designed tray that clips securely onto your steering wheel, creating an instant flat surface for your laptop, tablet, or paperwork. The ergonomics are spot on. It positions everything at the perfect angle so you're not hunching over or straining your neck. Road trip workers, delivery drivers, and anyone who needs to catch up on tasks between appointments are raving about this thing. It's sturdy enough to support a full-sized laptop, has slots for your phone and pens, and when you're done, it stores flat under your seat. The best part? It works with virtually any car model. Your car just became your new favorite workspace. But wait till you see number 7. It's going to change shower time forever. Number 7. Portable shower. Prepare to have your mind blown. This portable shower system brings luxury bathing to literally anywhere on Earth. We're talking about a compact device that pumps pressurized water from any source. A bucket, river, or even a water bottle. The pump creates actual shower pressure, not just a trickle, and the whole system runs on a rechargeable battery that lasts for multiple showers. Campers are going absolutely wild for this because it means you can have hot, pressurized showers in the middle of nowhere. The shower head has multiple settings. The hose extends over 6 feet and it weighs less than 2 pounds. Beach days, camping trips, outdoor festivals, this thing turns any location into your personal spa. It even has temperature control when paired with heated water. Your outdoor adventures just got infinitely more comfortable. But number 6 is about to revolutionize how you use your phone in the car. Number 6. Kstyle car mount. This car mount is absolutely genius and solves every phone mounting problem you've ever had. The Kstyle car mount doesn't just hold your phone, it creates the perfect viewing experience no matter what size device you have. The adjustability is insane. It extends, rotates 360 degrees, and tilts to any angle imaginable. But here's the killer feature. It grips your phone so securely that even aggressive turns and sudden stops won't budge it, yet removal is effortless with one hand. The mounting system works on any dashboard, windshield, or vent without leaving marks or residue. GPS navigation becomes a breeze because your phone sits at the perfect eye level, reducing neck strain on long drives. The build quality feels premium. This isn't some flimsy plastic that'll break in a month. Every Uber driver and road trip enthusiast needs this in their life. But wait until you see number 5. It's going to transform your bedroom storage game completely. Number 5. Under bed storage. Here's a storage solution that's pure genius. This underbed storage system maximizes the most wasted space in your bedroom. We're talking about massive storage containers that slide effortlessly under any bed, turning that dead space into organized storage heaven. These aren't just boxes. They're designed with smooth rolling wheels, airtight seals to protect against dust and moisture, and clear panels so you can see exactly what's inside. The capacity is incredible. You can store entire seasonal wardrobes, extra bedding, or anything you need but don't use daily. The low-profile design means they fit under beds as low as 6 inches, and the modular system lets you customize the configuration perfectly. College students and small apartment dwellers are obsessing over these because they literally double your storage space overnight. Your cluttered room just became a minimalist's dream. But number 4 is about to keep you cool in ways you never imagined. Number 4. Portable air conditioner. This portable air conditioner is a complete game changer for staying cool anywhere. This isn't just a fan, it's actual air conditioning that you can take camping, to the beach, or use in any room without installing anything. The cooling technology uses evaporation and refrigeration to drop temperatures by up to 30 degrees in small spaces. It runs on battery power for hours, charges via USB-C, and the cooling effect is immediate. The unit is smaller than a toaster but powerful enough to cool a tent, small office, or bedroom. Hot sleepers are going crazy for this because it creates a personal cool zone wherever you are. The water tank is easy to refill. The fan has multiple speeds, and it even works as a humidifier in dry climates. Beach camping, outdoor events, power outages, this little machine keeps you comfortable when traditional AC isn't an option. But wait till you see number 3. It's absolutely genius. Number 3. Vacuum Seal Backpack. Get ready for this. It's a backpack that vacuum seals your clothes to save 80% of the space. This vacuum seal backpack is revolutionizing travel packing with built-in compression technology that doesn't require any external pump. You literally pack your clothes normally, zip up internal compartments, then activate the built-in vacuum system that sucks out all the air. Your week-long vacation wardrobe compresses into carry-on size, and bulky winter coats become pancake flat. The compression is so effective that frequent travelers are fitting twice as much into half the space. But here's the brilliant part. It works in reverse too. When you need your clothes, they instantly expand back to normal when you release the vacuum. The backpack itself is premium quality with padded straps, multiple compartments, and TSA-approved zippers. Minimalist travelers and digital nomads are absolutely obsessed, but number 2 is going to organize your jewelry in the most beautiful way possible. Number 2. Jewelry Organizer Stand. This jewelry organizer is like having a boutique display case in your bedroom. This isn't just storage. It's a beautiful rotating stand that showcases your jewelry while keeping everything perfectly organized. The multi-tiered design holds necklaces without tangling, displays earrings in individual slots, and has specialized compartments for rings, bracelets, and watches. The rotation feature means you can see your entire collection with a simple spin, making choosing accessories effortless. The craftsmanship is stunning. It looks like expensive furniture, but stores hundreds of pieces in a small footprint. No more digging through tangled jewelry boxes or forgetting what you own because it's buried in drawers. The clear acrylic construction means everything is visible, and the felt lining protects delicate pieces. Jewelry lovers are saying this completely transformed their morning routine and actually made them wear more of their collection. But number one is going to blow your mind. It's the ultimate workspace solution. Number 1. Foldable laptop table. Here it is, the number one gadget that's going to change how you work forever. This foldable laptop table is the ultimate workspace solution that transforms any location into your perfect office. This isn't just a simple tray, it's an engineered ergonomic workstation that adjusts to any height, angle, and position imaginable. The surface accommodates laptops up to 17 inches, has built-in cooling vents to prevent overheating, and includes slots for your phone, tablet, and accessories. But here's what makes it incredible. It folds completely flat in the under 10 seconds and weighs less than 4 pounds. Whether you're working in bed, on the couch, at a coffee shop, or outdoors, this table creates the perfect ergonomic setup every time. The leg adjustments are smooth and lock securely, the surface is spacious enough for a full workspace, and the build quality is absolutely premium. Remote workers are calling this the best investment they've ever made for their productivity and comfort. So guys, there you have it. 10 gadgets that are seriously next level. Which one shocked you the most? I'm personally obsessed with that vacuum seal backpack because travel just became so much easier. If this video opened your eyes to some incredible tech you didn't know existed, smash that like button and let me know in the comments which gadget you're adding to your wish list first. And hey, if you want to see more mind-blowing gadgets and tech reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest innovations hitting the market. Trust me, I've got some even crazier stuff coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.